Hello everyone, it's Lamon here. Hope you're well. I'm gonna review today for you Content Gorilla AI. This is the third version of Content Gorilla. The first one was launched in summer 2019. The second one, 2.0, was launched in around summer 2020, and this one is going to be launched on the 12th of April 2000, and this is helping you creating unique content and unique videos and everything to post online. If you are in WordPress affiliate marketing and YouTube, or you have a blog or a site and you want to post unique content every single time, this is a really great tool to use. On the first hours, on the 12th, when this software is going to be launched, it's going to be launched around 10 a.m. Eastern European time. So before that, if you access the link, you will go directly and you can register to the webinar. In there, the vendor is gonna show and demo the system itself, the product, and you'll see exactly what's going on. I'm gonna dive in my bonus page, which you'll find in the link below in the description, where you can find lots of bonuses for free if you buy this software through my link. I'm going to show you the upsells. I'm going to show you what's new of this version, what you can have more than the first version and the second version. And also I'm going to show you the sales page and prices. So let's dig in. So like I said, on the link in the description, you'll find my bonus bundle page. This is going to be up for some bonuses until 16th of March. Others you can find after that time, but not all of them. And what's Content Gorilla? It's the kind of automation that you need to bring expert level content to your website, so you can stop wasting countless hours on writing articles for your blog and hoping for traffic. This has traffic built in, so that's a new feature for this version of the product. Let me show you my bonuses, and then we're gonna dive in the sales page and then in the prices. So my first bonus, which is actually a bundle of 8 bonuses, I'm giving you templates on how you can create a CV, or how you can post on Instagram for your posts to look professional on all social medias, and how to build a business card, and so on and so forth. The second one is how you can use Bing ads to increase your monetization. Then how you can build an app. So if you decide to go down this route and you don't have a site or an app, you can check this out and start your business online. Also, how you can generate traffic from TikTok. This is a software called Nova. Then also how you can increase your Facebook following fast. How you can have traffic. This is Fuego Breakout is an underground traffic method, so you can check this out. It's gonna show you huge it's gonna give you huge traffic. So if you go on one of these buttons before the launch, you'll end up in the page of the webinar. In here, if you want to log in and register before the launch, so as you can see, it's gonna be on 10 a.m. EST, so New York time. You'll have the section where you can put the user and the email. Then you'll have a demo from the vendor, which I'm going to show you in the next couple of minutes. And a lot of comments in here from the past users, and all say that this is a huge app and it's really awesome. So after this page is gonna end, so after these 2 hours in here. The buttons for my bonus bundle page will end up in the actually sales page, where he's introducing himself, and then he's showing describing the application. Also, you have testimonies, how they started, where this thing started, how it became this product these days. So you can digest this page in your own time. There's a lot of interesting things in here. Let's check exactly what this product does. So first is an artificial intelligence content writing. So it's writing content unique, even if you have those content already online, it's transforming them to be unique content. Moneyphrasing, so you'll have hyperlink specific keywords or phrases in all published articles on one or all of your websites. So basically, it's looking on the internet and it's checking all the searches and everything that's happening, and it's in trend and it's bringing money, and it's trying to integrate that in your website for your articles to be ranked and to bring you money. Then it's a article outline creator, so helps you stay organized and focused through the entire article creation process. Content calendar keeps track of all your upcoming and previous posts, blog, and social media contents. Schedule your post in advance to start ahead of the competition. You have SEO scoring in there, so basically it's checking if your content has enough tags, if it's enough on the ranking, and so on and so forth. Flexible search, so search and create content in 105 languages, finds video using keywords, video URLs, playing URL, playlist URL, or channel URLs. You have deep search filters as well. You have quick convert, you have correct grammar mistakes, so you have Grammarly or something like that integrated. You have auto punctuator, you have find and replace. So basically you have all sorts of tools that it's making your life easier. You have auto images, feature images, post tags, social content syndication. You create the article and it's helping you syndicate it to your website or blog. Also has social post image builder, internet linking, you can download the content, multi-quick post, bulk poster, post archive, so you can archive your posts if they are too old, and so on and so forth. You have a lot in this app, and I'm gonna leave you in a couple of seconds with a demo. But in here you have some bonuses from the vendor as well. So he's saying that the bonuses are the value of the bonuses is 297, and the first bonus is make 6-figure with Content Gorilla AI. So he will teach you in 3 weeks his exclusive method of making money. The second bonus is a detailed over-the-shoulder video guide teaching you how to build a safe hosted WordPress website from scratch. So in the training you'll have a couple of modules, so you'll learn exactly the basic, the hosting, the domain, and advanced things. This one cost $197. The third bonus is content repurpose guide. So when you repurpose your content, you can yield more output with the same amount of input while maintaining quality. This saves you time so that you can work on new marketing ideas and attend to other aspects of your business. This guide will show you how easy it is to create endless content. Then the fourth bonus, My Article Submitter. So this is basically teaching you how you can submit faster and easier your article in hundreds of articles directory. And these are the four bonuses from the vendor. As you can see, they are huge. It's teaching you about traffic, about how you can save time of writing articles and syndicate them to your website. Let me show you the demo, and then I'm going to discuss about OTOs and prices.
Hey, it's Ijlal, and in this video, I'm going to show you how Content Gorilla AI works. See, it's coming up to almost 3 years since we released Content Gorilla, and with over 9,000 users, this time Content Gorilla goes artificial intelligent. Now, the basic idea behind Content Gorilla has always been the ability to take a YouTube video and convert it into a blog post. With the AI version, we have maximized that, and I'm going to show you that right now how. See, inside the Content Gorilla dashboard, you can come and search for literally any niche, any keyword, and it's going to fetch results from YouTube and give you related content. Now, let's say I want to write something about NFTs, and let's say I want it to be a Gary V video, right? Let's just go ahead and search that. Let's say I'm going to go with this one, and in just one click, Content Gorilla converts this video into a blog post that is ready to go as is. And since it's converted from YouTube videos, the plagiarism level on this thing is, there's a very low chance that it's even plagiarized, right? But the amazing thing about the artificial intelligence system that we have just introduced is the fact that you can either completely or partially rephrase this, and you can even write content even in the voice of Gary V himself in just one click. Let me show you how that works. So let's just make it look a bit neater. Let's give this H1 tag. Let's ask the artificial intelligent engine what an NFT is, and to do that, all I have to do is select this particular selection, and as you can see, this tooltip appears. You click on the right content for me, and here's the best part. See, you can either explain this professionally in a casual tone, or you can even specify whose voice you want this content written in. And in that, what happens is it gives you the ability to completely match whatever is being said in your videos. I'm going to show you that in just a second. Well, let's go ahead and say that I want this content to be in a Gary Vaynerchuk's voice, right? Let's go ahead and submit that. Now, how this artificial intelligent engine works is it has consumed 10% of the entire internet, right? So it knows a lot about a lot of people. So anyone who is kind of famous, this engine can easily write about them, about in their voice, basically, right? And as you can see, it just generated me a few words, and like it's completely going to be in the voice of Gary V, right? So that's the coolest part about it. But let's say that I don't want the content to be in Gary Vee's voice. So let's say I want to write a little bit about it in someone else's voice, say Will Smith perhaps. I'm gonna type whatever I want to run inside, whatever I want the AI engine to write for me about, and we're just gonna go ahead and tell it to write it in perhaps Will Smith's voice. And as you'll see, the voice that they're now using is that the artificial intelligence now uses is Will Smith's. In fact, let me actually show you something amazing, right? Let's go ahead and ask it to write in Ryan Reynolds' voice. And for those of you that are not aware of who Ryan Reynolds is, he's the actor that plays Deadpool, so he's very sort of humorous, right? And now look at this. Now what it wrote was, in my own brain. So for the people that don't know what NFTs are, right, non-fungible tokens, these are one of the great parts about the whole crypto space, the blockchain space. Satoshi's white paper is that it was first as a signature that you couldn't counterfeit. So think about what that means. You could make digital art that no one can counterfeit. So all of us said art gets its value from scarcity. And so the blockchain allows you to do that. So now we're going to see artists for the first time ever create art digitally. The great artists, they never did before. So you're going to sell digital art. You're going to actually take your phone. You're going to buy it. It's going to go on your phone. You're going to walk home and you're going to throw it up on a giant screen. And you're like, that's mine. So just notice how the tone changed, right? And like, this definitely seems like something Ryan Reynolds would say, because considering how non-serious of an attitude he has. So that's the good part about the AI. It will actually write in anyone famous that you specify in their particular tune. And that's just the very basic level. The opportunities here are endless. You can inarguably do things that you could never do before, right? And this is just one part, perhaps the biggest part of Content Gorilla AI. There's going to be more about it on when you scroll down below on this page. But I think you get the entire idea, right? So to create an article that is completely unique, is originally inspired, and then written in someone who is very famous in their voice, basically, that is all that you can do with Content Gorilla AI at its very basic level. Now once you have this article ready, you can go ahead and do all sorts of amazing things with it. Like you can add headlines, you can do all of the traditional stuff that you can do in any editor. Then you can even save this as a draft and come back to this post later to make it, refine it more. You can copy this to clipboard and take it over anywhere you want. You can download it in either text format or a PDF format and publish it anywhere you like. You can also add images from our inbuilt image search, right? This uses basically pixels as which is inarguably the biggest picture image stock photo library. And as you can see, even the images are related. It has this Gary Vee wallpaper, right? So yeah, that's what you can do at the very basic level. Plus we have a whole host of amazing features like keyword auto hyperlink, which allows you to hyperlink a particular keyword on your entire website. Then you can come here and change the featured image. By default, we use the thumbnail image. Then you can add your own tags and stuff to it to help Google rankings. And then syndication, you can basically syndicate your posts onto your Facebook pages and groups in just by just checking this box. And then finally, you can publish your blog post onto your WordPress website in just one click, and it automatically gets syndicated onto your social media channels with a link. So that really helps with social media rankings as well. So that's pretty much how Content Gorilla AI works, and that's what we do at the very core. Now there's going to be a complete feature by feature breakdown below on this page, so make sure you scroll through and see everything about Content Gorilla and everything that is new in this version, and I'm going to see you on the inside.
So about the prices, the front end has two versions, the personal one and the professional one. As you can see, the prices are 17 and 24.97. And this is a one-time offer about this price. This will never be made available at this price again. So be quick if you want to buy this one. As you can see in here, they have a lot of things, so you can go and digest this in your own time. But a really important thing, the bonuses from the vendor are not available in the personal version. The four ones that I discussed earlier. So you can have lots of things in here, digest which one is for you, if you want the bonuses, if you don't want the bonuses. But just to mention that my bonuses, if you buy it through my link down in the description, you will have my bonuses for either of these versions. So these are the prices for the front end, but we have some OTOs as well. So the first OTO is the ultimate one. You can have two versions as well for it. You'll see exactly in the application itself what each one of them offering. Then you have the second OTO, which is done for you blogs, which is $97 on one time only. And you have a couple of done for you blogs. So when you make an article, you can syndicate to a couple of them and not the rest, and so on and so forth. So you can have also one-click simple install to any new WordPress site and all the things. When you want to upgrade, check what's offering and if that's satisfying your needs. So check all of them and pick the best one for you if you want it and if you want to go down this route. Then you have the third OTO, it's AI agency. And also you can have clients in here and so on and so forth. The agency is for offering it to the client. And then you have the Content University, which is step-by-step 21 days plan to regenerate a recurring income online. And you can see in here previously this Content University was sold for $97. Right now it's $37 and it's one-time payment. So this was Content Gorilla AI. If you have already the first or the second version, you have 50% discount on this version. Or if you don't want it, you've seen the prices, you have huge discount and the price can increase hourly. If you want to go down this road, you can check this out. This is a really great product and you actually can have can make money from it. Don't forget about the bonuses in my bonus bundle page where you can learn how to make money from Bing ads, from Facebook, and how to make traffic from TikTok, and so on and so forth. Thank you for checking this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. This is gonna help me grow my channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.